I couldn't get what you said. This money was the money which was.
I'm saying this reference that you're making, is it about the Liquorgate scam?
Earned through the Liquorgate. Yes, this money was illicitly earned through Liquorgate and then transferred to Gujarat for elections. So transferred to Gujarat for elections. What's amazing in it? This is a man who has testified, who has given testimony in the police station, in the court, when he was caught red-handed. And he said,
and because you love to quote RP Singh Saab a lot of reports, and that's an allegation that has to be established by the agencies, Abhinandita. So, you know, if there is a money trail, or if the agencies believe that the Aam Admi Party can be named as an accused, we'll have to wait and see what is the kind of evidence they will put out. But RP Singh Saab, before I get in Kapil Madan, quickly what the Supreme Court has also asked today, they say, and they tell the agencies, you cannot keep somebody behind ad infinitum because you are not confident as to when you can argue on charges, because once the charge sheet is filed, you cannot keep him behind like this without any evidence. And to this, the ASG then says, Kapil Madan, that we are contemplating making the AAP as an accused. Now, Kapil, there is obviously a lot of politics in this. There is the I&A alliance that continues to back charges of corruption. You know, multiple political parties in the I&A alliance today are dealing with charges of corruption. UPA too had that huge baggage of corruption, Kapil. Do you think that the Congress should still be doing business with the Aam Admi Party with so many of its top leaders still behind bars?
Well, you know, Deepti, I will, make a legal argument first before addressing the legal argument. Now, you need to see the context in which, this entire discussion has erupted. Now, the Honorable Supreme Court has categorically sought evidence from the ED against Mr. Sisodia. However, they could not do that. And once the matter was adjourned, now they have come up with, to my understanding, a very illogical kind of a situation wherein they are saying they will make a political party as an accused. Now, my question to Mr. RP Singh would be, though he is not a lawyer, but I will still ask him a question. Then, if you were to make a political party as an accused, first you need to, cross the threshold. And I don't see, whether our law permits or equates the word company as political party, because whether under the realm of Section 70 of the PMLA, can a political party be referred to as company or not? It's a big question. Now, my second point is that how the criminal law functions. Again, I will give some benefit to Mr. Singh because he is not a lawyer and this is a purely legal situation. Now, under our criminal law, there is no provision of vicarious liability. If A commits an offense, you can't make B, liable by using the principal-agent relationship. Now, you admittedly don't have an evidence against Mr. Sisodia. Now, if that plea has failed, you are trying to, bring a political party. First, you need to, identify the evidence against the individual, against a natural person. Once you have that, only then you can impute it to the company. And whether a political party can be construed as a company is again a question mark. Whether that can happen or that cannot happen. So to my, understanding,
but Kapil,
this entire, case.
Kapil, I'm just making a limited point that, you make a lot of legal arguments about technicalities. RP Singh Saab, one second. You've ducked my question about corruption. Do you think corruption, Kapil, is a huge issue in the run-up to 2024? The Aam Admi Party that again and again, like I repeat, says we are the anti-corruption party. Kattar Imandar बुलाते हैं अपने आप को Kapil, but what is it that the top leaders have not got any relief? You can't say this is vendetta. Do you agree with that charge, Kapil?
Deepti, what I would say is that once 2G happened, there was a castle that was made in the air, and we know how the castle fell like a pack of cards.